Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be, or today's video I should say, is going to be a Chattin' with Alana, although there's not going to be a whole lot of chatting, I guess. I have a feeling this is going to be a short one because I don't have a whole heck of a lot to talk about, but I got some stuff to show you that I'm super excited and I think is adorable. So get comfy, get yourself something to drink and to work on while I chat with you guys. The first thing I do want to say is that I've kind of come to the conclusion that on gaming with Alana and cooking with Alana, I'm going to up the video output. Instead of one video a week for crocheting with Alana or cooking with Alana, I'm going to do 2 videos a week. One being my kind of food, meaning low calorie, low carb, and then a normal recipe with normal sugar and all that kind of stuff. And then a video every day for gaming with Alana, which is super easy to do. I basically just play a video game, film it, and there you go. It's easy. I can spend, a couple hours and then have like a week's worth of videos ready to go. So I'm already like with the video count that I have for gaming with Alana, I already am into December with videos, so I'm way ahead on that. And then with cooking with Alana, I'm to December with 1 video a week, and then December being 2 videos a week. Anyway, the reason I bring this up is because on Gaming with Alana, I actually started playing a game that's called Cana and the Bridge of Spirits. Cana the Bridge of Spirits, yeah. Super cute game. I loved playing it. It's adorable. I actually finished it recently. Well, anyway, in that game, there are little tree spirits called Rot. Just R-O-T, Rot. Like the weirdest name to name the cutest video game character ever. But there's a reason I'm bringing it up, because I want to show you guys. I crocheted one. Isn't he adorable? So if you have, in the description box, actually in the description box of all of my videos, there is a link to Gaming with Alana and Cooking with Alana, and then a whole bunch of other stuff down in there if you go look. So if you go to Gaming with Alana, and I think, what is today? Today's Friday. So Wednesday would have been the first episode, so you can see what these little creatures look like. But they have little mushrooms and little leaves all over in their hair, and you can collect hats for them, and they follow me all over. It's adorable. I love them. So I definitely had to crochet one. So I've been working on this for about a week. He actually been sitting in a little basket next to my chair in my living room while I watch TV. I would crochet on him a little bit. But there you go. He's so cute. I love it. Anyway, so definitely check that out in the description box. And I have another game that I started called The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Well, in that, you go around and, not the main purpose of the game, but part of that game is that you collect what's called little Korok seeds. Well, you collect these little Korok seeds from what they call Koroks, which are these little bitty creatures that are so stinking cute, and then you turn them all into a larger creature called, his name's Hestu, I think? I don't remember. I haven't found him yet in the game, but, I'm going to be crocheting him and the little Koroks and the little Korok seeds next. This is just something for my mental health on the side to do. I'm so excited. I want to make more of these and then put because I think by the time I finished the game, I think I had almost 90. I think I had 85 of them, and you have the little different hats for them. And anyway, so I will show you guys Hestu and all the little Koroks later. Oh, I forgot. Today is actually November 1st, so my little, who was it that told Trick or Treat Trio? One of you guys, I don't remember which one of you, told me that I should name my little Cupid dolls that I crocheted Halloween costumes for. I should name them Trick or Treat Trio, and I thought that was the cutest thing ever. But today's November 1st, so I'm gonna have to put them up, which I actually just set them on top of a TV in my office because they're too cute to not see all the time. I wanted to tell you guys, I had one time a viewer comment on one of my videos. It's been a while. Something about my hair. I can't remember when it was, but they asked, you know, what my hair was like without product and what product I use and different things like that. And I wanted to show you guys, this is the madness that my hair is without product in it. I took a shower. My husband's in the field and I've been driving him back and forth, moving stuff around in different fields. And I took a shower, got out of the shower, didn't have time to do anything with my hair, so I just threw a hat on. And then I've been running around and then cleaning house. And then I thought, well, I need to film Monday video. And I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh my gosh, my mop looks horrible. So that's why I'm wearing the hat in the video, because I don't want you guys to see how bad my hair looks. So what else? So when you are seeing this, it's Monday. Wednesday's tutorial is going to be the pineapple shawl, which I've already started filming. That is a super pretty shawl. I'm excited for that. It is let's see, 13, 14, 15, 16, a 4-row repeat. But it's easy. Once you get it down and you understand it, you're gonna just fly right through it, remembering the pattern. But I mean, you can write it down if you want. I'm having a little bit of a hard time figuring out what I should tell viewers to, like, what yarn and hook to use, because I really don't think a 4-weight yarn is gonna work with that pattern. By the time you get it big enough to see the pineapples down each side of the shawl, it's gonna be on the floor from your shoulders. It's gonna be way too big. So I think what I'm gonna say is that you're absolutely gonna have to use a 3-weight yarn with a 4.5 crochet hook, maybe a 5. I mean, if your tension is that tight, maybe a 5.5 or a 5. I'm really excited to get that out. Having said that, I need some quick crochet tutorial ideas. I asked this earlier, and I remember seeing somebody say something in the comments about a bookmark and something else, but when I went back to find the comment, I can't find it. So I don't know if they deleted it or maybe I'm looking on the wrong video. I guess that could be it. But so if you guys could give me some ideas of little quick tutorials, something like a bookmark would be a quick tutorial, which I'm actually thinking I may do for the not this upcoming Wednesday, but the next Wednesday. I think that might be like Veterans Day, maybe. I don't remember. I think I'm gonna do a tutorial for a bookmark, but like a bookmark in the sense of like something attached to a paper clip. And the reason I want to do that is because I always like to use paper clips in my notepads, which I have like different notepads for different things that I every day I fill out a planner for what I would like to accomplish that day. And I have, you know, paper clips in that, and then I have paper clips in my notepads for my crochet patterns, and then I have paper clips in my notepads for my jotting stuff down in my purse. And I thought I really want something to attach to it that's, obviously I don't want it to be huge, but I mean, you know, like a little flower or something. So anyway, rambling to say that that's probably going to be the following Wednesday's tutorial, but I need other ideas, like quick, like nothing is coming to my mind, but like quick little, like it would literally, okay, well, let me explain it to you like this. The shawl that I'm doing now, that shawl will probably take me 3 days to film, edit, render, and upload all of that, and It's a process. So I'm needing something that would take me like 4 or 5 hours so to film and all of that. So something as small as a flower on a paper clip would be a good idea. Like a bookmark that's not too detailed would be a good idea. See, I draw a blank. I can't think of anything to use. I don't know. Anyway, give me some ideas in the comments so I can have some quick content to get out when I need it. Let's see. Other than that, Christmas is on my mind after that. I have these little tea candle holders that I'm going to put out for Christmas. My Christmas tree I'm going to put out, which is right down here. And then I have, you know how I'll say Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if Michael's or Joanne sells them, but the clear Christmas ornaments, the balls, I'm going to crochet a decoration that you would put over those bulbs and then just kind of stitch it around. And I think that's it for Christmas. Maybe. Unless something else comes to mind. But anyway, that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching. This is another quick one. After probably Friday, you're watching this on Monday, so Friday we're probably going to get back to the eras of work basket magazines. I couldn't think of it. Anyway, as always, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I will see you in the next one. Check out the description box. All right. Bye, guys.